Hey, it's Marie Dale Groves. Hey, I'm going to try to log in and see if I can recreate the problems I was having. I saw your video link and saw it worked, but I've had mixed reviews on that, having other people check it out. So let's give this a try. I'm going to share my screen here. Over here. I created a brand spanking new email account just a moment ago. So let's try to see what happens. It says yours. It says check my emails. Let's go to my email. Email's right here because it's a new account. Haven't been into it yet. So we got the free guide. That's good. That came in. Yes, subscribing to the list. I'm not a robot. All right. Crosswalks. All right. Bring me back to my page for the second time, because I shouldn't have to come here and download the guide. It asks me to type in my information again. I should not have to do this. It's yours. Go to my email. Second time it's telling me to go to my email. Again, wrong one. Go here. Inbox. There's the next one as promised. Click here, download free guide. Back to my email, back to my website, click here, download the free guide again. And then I have it. So I had to go to my website 3 times and go to my email, as you can see, 2 times. Actually 3 times. There's one, there's another one, and the one before that. So let's look at this again. So I got 2 emails right here and 1 email there. So 3 times emails and 3 times website. That's too many times. We need to get it down to, you click here for the guide, you add your contact information, hit click, and it should send you the free guide. I shouldn't have to keep going back and forth. And then it comes back to a free subscription of concerned. I don't mind that, but now it's telling me to download my guide again. I've already got my guide. So we're doubling this, and that's an issue. And taking it back here again, and then back to this again. So we're doing this way too many times. So let your tech guide look at this. This is kind of some of the problems. It wasn't as bad as my son's experience or my friend Joanne experienced it, but it's still an issue. So it still hasn't been resolved. All right, hope this helps. Talk to you soon. Bye.